I appreciate you being here. Your stock has appreciated this year. You don't fully appreciate the trouble you are in, young man. So many meanings for this one word, appreciate. So first of all, where does it come from? It comes from the mid-16th century Latin from the word appreciare, meaning to value, price, or estimate something. Now let's look at each definition and use of this verb. If you appreciate something, you recognize its value. For example, we can all appreciate how refreshing a nice cool drink is on a scorching summer's day. Or you can appreciate someone's good work in that you recognize the good work that has been done by somebody. Mary, I just wanted to say I appreciate all the good work you've put in on the project over the last few months. Here's your bonus. You supported me a lot during that difficult time. I appreciate that a lot. A related meaning can be to be grateful for something. I would appreciate it if you sent me some more details on the project. It's really just the same as I would be grateful if you sent me some more details. The last meaning is when something like an asset rises in value. For example, that van you bought 2 years ago has actually appreciated in value, not depreciated. It went up in value. Now let's look at the grammar and sentence structure when it comes to this word appreciate. Hi, sorry for interrupting. I just wanted to tell you that if you are intermediate level English learner and above, I have a solution for you if you feel stuck at intermediate level. I have a fluency club with lots of conversation classes per week to give you a chance to practice your spoken English, which is what many of you are lacking. It's in a safe community with lots of cool other students. However, the groups are small, so you get plenty of chance to speak. There are many different conversation topics, from food to the environment. And on the premium package, you get a one-on-one coaching session with me, and also you have access to my Real Conversation English course where I go through grammar, pronunciation, vocabulary, phrasal verbs, and you get to hear all of this in context. If you want to know more, click on the link in the description below or direct message me on Instagram and I'd be happy to answer your questions. Okay, let's resume programming. I would appreciate it if you didn't tag me in that photo. Now note that we need to use it in this sentence and many people forget it. Also notice the use of the past simple. I would appreciate it if you didn't tag me. The past simple. That's the structure after I would appreciate it if. It's also possible to use could here. I would appreciate it if you could do something. Another example, I would appreciate it if you drove me to the airport. Not drive me, not will drive me, past simple. You could also use I would appreciate it if you could drive me to the airport. So in this sentence, it's more like a request, isn't it? However, we can also say, I appreciate you driving me to the airport. And this meaning is a little different. This is not a request. This is more like a thank you for the fact that they have already driven you to the airport or that they will drive you to the airport. Notice how we use appreciate plus the subject plus the gerund. Now let me look at an error in meaning that I see a lot of students make. They use appreciate for liking or enjoying something. And most of the time, appreciate is not really the correct word. For example, you would say, I really enjoyed the food at the party, not I really appreciated the food at the party. However, if you really did want to use appreciate in that sentence, you could say something like, I really appreciated the effort the hosts made to make such a wonderful party. Here you're talking more about how much you value the hosts and how grateful you are to them. The word appreciate goes deeper than just liking something. Or for example, I have often heard, I appreciate my teacher. Yeah, it's possible to say appreciate here, but normally what is meant is that they like their teacher. They think they're good at their job or they're a nice person. As I said, it's possible for you to use appreciate, but it goes a little deeper. For example, my teacher is great. I really appreciate all the help she gave me before my exam. Meaning that you were grateful for all the effort they made. Now hopefully you understand the meanings of appreciate. Last but not least, we use much appreciated or very much appreciated often in English. Here's the report you asked for. Very much appreciated. Thanks, Amy. That generous tip was very much appreciated by all the staff members. Any donation you can give is much appreciated. Okay, so I hope that helped you with the word appreciate. Don't forget to download the PDF, which is a transcript of this video, and it has a little quiz testing you on this word appreciate. That's in the description below. Now, if you want to practice writing some sentences, do it in the comments below and I'll take a look.